What's up, everybody? This is Aman Mehta here. I am doing an unboxing of the Apple AirPods Pro. Check these out. I just picked them up this morning. These look amazing. The box is a little bit bigger. There's a little tab over here to get them open. We're gonna do that in a minute, but I want to give a shout out to my son. He's helping me with the lighting. His name is Max. Thanks, Max. I appreciate it. So we want to get these opened up for you guys and show you what they're all about. Here we go. All right, guys, let's get this rolling. Here are the new AirPods Pro. Check these out. They look a little different, obviously. Look at that. The stem is a little bit smaller. Same color. Basically, they look almost identical except for the inner piece. They have these ear tips that are interchangeable, left, right, and left. Look at the back. Let's open it up and take a look. AirPods Pro, just got them. Okay, it's a little bit different from last year's. So satisfying. Moment of the truth, guys. Let's open this up and take a look. I don't have my trusty knife today. I don't need it. Box is pretty heavy. It feels pretty sturdy. Let's take a look. What's in here? Designed by Apple in California. The same as usual. Let's take a look. What do we have in here? The usual information guide, how to use these. All different kinds of buttons. There's a lot of new different things on here. All right, we don't need any of that stuff. Let's look at the nitty-gritty and see what it's all about. Here they are. Let's put these aside and we can take a look at what else comes in the box. All right, so this looks like this is the interchangeable ear tips, which is really nice because a lot of people in the past have complained to Apple about these AirPods not fitting in the ears. So this will definitely help you guys that have an issue with not having a proper fit. These are supposed to actually help you with noise cancellation. And these actually have noise cancellation system inside it already. So when you turn that on in the settings, you'll see the difference. What else do we have? Okay, so we have a cable for charging. And I think that's all they have. Yeah, that's it. So let's take a look at the cable now. What kind of cable is this? Oh, this is nice. Check this out, guys. I feel like Apple is getting closer and closer to USB-C because one side is actually USB-C and the other side is Lightning. So that's a nice plus. I wish it was all Lightning or all USB, but it is what it is. That's what we have. Let's check out the AirPods Pro. Okay, so that's the Lightning port right there. All right, wow. These are definitely, I had the original ones, so these definitely feel like they're heavier. These are my original ones right here, by the way. I know, I spray painted them myself. Aren't they beautiful? Colorware, beware. Here we go, let's take a look. Okay, we're gonna put these side to side and compare the two, okay? So they're not that much bigger. The new ones are not that much bigger than the smaller ones, as you guys can see. I want to show you guys. So it's kind of almost like if you were to put it like this. So these have a really nice magnet system. So when you want, when you're done with these, you can put them right in here. And if you flip them over, you won't make them fall out. It's not easy for you. It could happen, but it's not that easy for you to do it. I mean, look at how hard I'm shaking it. It's not falling out. And then also you can close these up and this will not open unless you flip it open like that. And I love how easy it is to flip it open, but not accidentally, if that makes sense. You really have to get it open. But watch this. All right, guys, let's open these up and take a look. Wow, these are beautiful, aren't they, guys? Yeah, I love these. Left side, we got the right side. Let's open them up and take a look. All right, so here we have the AirPods Pro. Nice, a little chunkier on the inside. I've actually tried these at the gym already, just so you guys know, a few days ago. I feel like they hurt after a couple hours, but still they're so much better. The AirPods 1 and 2 definitely feel a little bit more comfortable to use for long term. I use those for work sometimes. These, I don't know. I don't know how long I can last with these. Maybe 3 hours max, and then my ears will probably start hurting. Anyways, let's take a look at these. So they have a lot of functions. This is a touch button right here. You can control it. You can control your pause and play with one click. If you double press, then it skips. And then if you triple press, it skips back. And then also has a hey, you know what function in it. So you can invoke and get any prompts that you need through hey, you know what. I'm not gonna say that. And also, if you look right over here, you see how the silver ring doesn't go all the way around? The other ones used to. Used to go all the way around. You had the mic right over here. There's no mic, they just closed it off. But look over here, guys. I want to show you something. Okay? You guys see that right there? Let me show you. I don't know if you guys can pick that up right there. But there's actually a mic right there. So that's a really cool thing. They hit it right in the middle. You can't even tell it's there. It's beautiful right there. So I think these are really, really nice. Noise cancellation. I tried them at the gym. I tried them earlier. They're really, really, really good. I mean, Apple put in some amazing technology in these. And I have the Bose ones right behind you guys. You can see that. Those are noise cancel. You see that, guys? And I'm telling you, those are nice for maybe an airplane or a long drive. These are perfect for the gym. You don't have to hear any of the music in the background, all the garbage that they put in the gyms. You guys can enjoy whatever you want in your ears and not have to deal with any of the music they have. Or if you have a friend that keeps talking to you, you can just block him out with noise cancellation. All right? So that's why I like these, especially for the gym. All right, what else do we have? Let's take a look at this. The tips. We're gonna take these tips off, okay? I wanna show you guys this. Check that out. You can change them to any ones you want. They have small, medium, large. Actually, it gives you an option in the settings to be able to change the ear tips. There's a software on there, and it tells you if it's a proper fit. And I actually took them to the gym, and it did not work for me. I came home, went to those small ones, I said to change it again, went to the large ones, which I was surprised fit better. And the sound was so much more bassier with that, and crisper with the larger ear tips. So I have the larger ear tip on it right now. Let's put that back. So these have the battery life of 4.5 to 5 hours, depending on your usage, how much you use these. Also, they have the transparency mode and active noise cancellation. So I believe it's a little bit less than the AirPods 1 and 2, but I mean, it depends on your use. And not to mention, these have the case, which has a 24 hours extra battery, so it lasts you a full 24 hours wherever you go. Battery dies on this, you put it in here, you charge them up. You see it's charging right now. It's actually fully charged, so it's actually green, but when it's not, it's yellow. So that's something to keep in mind. So these have Bluetooth 5.0, which is going to really help you guys with connectivity. It's going to be a lot smoother, a lot faster. Just an overall better experience with your devices like an iPhone, or even if you have a Galaxy or any other phones that you have. It's going to definitely help you with that. The case is a wireless charging case. You can put it on your wireless charging device and be able to charge it. You want to? Let me show you here. Here you go. You put it right on there, and it should turn. Come on, there we go. See that orange light? That means it's charging. All right. And also, these are IPX4 sweat resistant. You can get a little bit of a drizzle on there, not much. That's what they're doing for now compared to the previous ones. Previous ones had no rating at all. All right, guys, so I have this in my ears. Wow, this sounds amazing right now. I cannot even, it sounds almost like I'm in my ear, I'm in my head. Does that make sense? Almost like the noise cancellation is already working and I can barely hear what's going on around me now. All I hear is my voice and nothing else around me, if that makes sense. I really want to try these out in an airplane to see how they are. So let's test them out, and we're gonna take a look to see if these are worth the $250 plus tax, or should you get the AirPods 2 instead? So let's take a look. There we go. I'm gonna play a song and we're gonna take a look, see how they are. If they're better than the AirPods 1 and 2, or should you just save your money? Wow, these sound nice. Woo! I like these. Wow. Okay, guys. Oh my goodness. They definitely have a lot more bass. I can tell you that right now. And you hear nothing around you. There's nothing around you that you're able to hear with these on. They're a little bit, I would say, a less brighter in the sound, but more bassy, more punchy. I would even compare them to my Beats Pro 3s. Those are pretty nice. But I would use these more for the gym than those, just because I don't like to carry those, and these are just easier to throw in your pocket and just go. Those have a wire. So definitely these are amazing. They have a lot more bass compared to the AirPods 1 and 2. And also they are a little bit crispier. They have more options as far as the buttons. There's buttons on the sides. You can control a lot more things with it. Noise cancellation. You have a privacy mode if you need to use a privacy mode. It's really for a person that's on the go, maybe for the gym, maybe they're using it for the office, or maybe they're in the city where they have a lot of background noise and they want to noise cancel. This will be perfect for something like that. Are they worth $250? In my opinion, they are definitely worth $250. Apple, bring your prices down a little bit, please, okay? But I'm still buying it. All right, guys, that was our unboxing and a review on the AirPods Pro. Thank you for watching.
So if you guys enjoyed that video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And also make sure to hit that notification bell down below. See you next time. Bye.
Bye, guys.